Good morning, everybody. I'm gonna be testing here the new firmware, beta firmware. I need to mention this firmware is not available yet, obviously. It's the version 6.48 that I got from a friend in the DJI forums. I know the 649 is out already, but I tested yesterday the 642, and I'm gonna be testing now the 648 from cold boot to see how it's doing the GPS acquisition. So let me turn on the drone to see how long it takes from cold boot. And we start counting. Okay, the drone is connected. So far 8 satellites. That was faster than yesterday. Yesterday it took about 1 minute 40 seconds to get the home point. We're exactly in the same spot, still in 8. It changed to 10 satellites, 14 satellites, probably 15. That's enough for get home point, but I'm waiting for that message. Definitely get better. This time it's faster.
The home point has been updated.
That was great.
All
right, before takeoff, let me show you the firmware version. I'm gonna put APAS on. In about here, as you see, is the 648. I'm not gonna show the battery information because that's serial numbers and I don't wanna display that. Anyway, quickly, what option we have? Do we still have? Let me just take off to have a better view, from my legs. I'm gonna show the options once it's in the air. All right, I guess that's a better view. What do we got here? What's the new? Well, the same. We're still in normal mode, no explorer mode, and we can zoom the camera while we're in video up to 3x. That's nothing new. I showed that yesterday, and it looks pretty good. While we're in this mode, we can go Pro. This menu probably is the same. Everybody saw this before. Here, the options, we still have the 5.1K, 50 frames per second, D-Log. That's all the option we got. Here we can change. Let me move the timer up. Oh, it's not responsive. I guess it's a timer. Yep. Oh, that's a bug. Look at that. Oh no, I was already in the option. Go back to auto. What option we got here now? Camera. We still have all these options. Now, when we are in Explorer mode, which is the zoom camera combined with, this is main camera right now because it's 1x. If we zoom, let me see what we can see. Something interesting like here. Now the change is, look at how smooth it's gonna get when changed from one camera to the other one. That was a little bit, still a jump, but it's still smooth. And you know what, let me go higher and find something more interesting to see, like the Capitol building that is some far away. I guess it's in this side.
Maximum flight altitude.
All right,
reached.
Maximum flight altitude. I guess the Capitol building. Yeah, there we go. Let's zoom 20x, 28x in that building. Look at that. That's the Tallahassee Capitol building. That's maximum zoom. What I notice is when I'm zooming out, it drifts to the left for some reason. I'm gonna demonstrate that here. Zooming out, I guess it's when it get like 8x, it jumped, there we go, it jumped to the left. Now if I zoom back, look at, it's not pointing to the same place. Let me do that again. Going back, I'm pointing to the center of the building. Going back, and 8, it drift. Actually with the other firmware it was worse, but it's still doing it. All right, now what option we have when we are recording in Explorer mode? If you see, if I try to change to manual settings, it's a Explorer mode support only auto mode, so I cannot change that. And this is the setting available only. I guess that doesn't change too much. Here, the video formats available in Explorer mode. No RAW. I mean, obviously this is video, but if I change now to pictures, let's see the options. I cannot change that, and it's only JPEG available. No other formats available. Probably this is gonna answer people's questions. Changing obviously to the main camera, no Explorer mode. Yeah, I can change out to focus. Same in Explorer mode, and say in Explorer mode, I can change to manual focus. Yep. So let me show you, because I use this very often. It's not sunny in that area, not the best place to demonstrate this, but if I make a long press, I can change the focus, and even sometimes make it better than automatic. But automatic is doing a pretty good job, if you notice. Let's see, some place that with more clear. Let's see the pool. Look at the Explorer mode. That's 15x. It's very, it's sharp. I mean, maybe it's not completely for a photographer good enough, but look at that, 28. Look at that. For me, it's pretty sharp. I mean, it's usable. Starting from instead cold boat. Now that it's warm, all right, we landed. I'm gonna shut off the drone and start again and see how long it takes. Yesterday was immediately. I expect the same today. Drone is off. Okay, now I'm gonna turn it back on. Yes, it's the same place. Obviously have the same satellite information. I understand if we change place, maybe this change the story, but I want to do the same test that I did yesterday. So it's ready, and I have how many?
The home point has been updated.
16 satellites. Yesterday I got 17, but that's fine. I mean, every day can be different. I'm gonna test with the drone flying in front of me, as you see here. I'm gonna try to put it in troubles to see how good it gets. All right, I'm gonna start walking. Look at that. He went to that hole. Let's see what it does if I go in this direction. Let's see if he's able to find a hole. Oh, uh-oh, that's not good. Look at that, what's happened. It went behind that tree, but that's a very deep area. That's not good. And it lost me. I'm gonna have to stop this video. This time I'm gonna tell the drone, yeah, fly from front of me. All right, and actually I'm gonna start recording as well. Look at that, there's an airplane there. Let's see if AirSense was working before. I don't know now, but anyway, let's keep going testing APAS. Look at that, avoiding the trees. I'm gonna walk under the trees and see how we behave. Don't hit me. I tell you what, I guess the drone was working better with the 642 firmware in APAS. This 648, I'm not sure. The drone is supposed to get that front of me. That's good. Let's see what it's gonna do in this corner. That's where it get in trouble. So that, oh, that's a good decision. It avoid the thin trench. Look at that. It's supposed to stay in front of me. Let's see if it's gonna lose me here. Look at that. That was very smart. I'm gonna walk under these trees. Still have me. That's really good. Look at that. That's hands off. I'm gonna hide in this corner. Sorry for the noise. And now I'm gonna do a tough test. I'm gonna pass that tunnel and see if the drone can hit me, and if he's smart enough to know where I'm going. Wow, that was really good and impressive. Oh, it lost me. Oh, it got me. All right. Now, that's following me in front of me. Now I'm gonna tell him, follow me from the back. That's where it really get better. All right. Now, let's see what he's gonna do here. See how smart it gets. Will find me or not? No, it lost me. Let's try that again. You know what? Let me put it more close to the ground and close to me. Let's see what it does in the tunnel. Wow, I cannot believe it passed the tunnel. Well, it doesn't pass it, but look at how smart it gets. All right, same test under the threes. Following, there is no problem. The problem is when I have to go in front of me, which is expected. Doing a pretty good job. All right, he's supposed to try to get behind me. Which is, I guess, the way. Oh, it lost me. I don't know. There was a message on the screen. I wasn't able to catch it. All right. Well, I guess this test is concluded, and I show what you have to show. Okay. Have a good one.